if you're facing this issue right now, then let's fix it. So just go back to your first step of the Windows install. So just quit installation, then just press Shift F10, which will open up this terminal right here. And in here, we just have to type in regedit. So we'll edit some registry. Don't worry, it won't be that scary. I'll walk you through every step of the way. Now in here, just follow along this directory or right here. So it is local machine, and then just get down to system and then setup. So in this setup, we'll be making a few changes. So first, right click, create new key. So we're creating a new key, and the key will be lab conf. So lab config basically. So lab config, and then in here we need to type in a few D words. So I'll just show it on the screen. So these are all the D words we need. So to create it, we need to go to new and the D word 32-bit. In here, just type in the first one is bypass TPM check. So this is the first one, and after just clicking out of somewhere and then just double clicking on it, so we have to set this value to 1. So the double click it, set it the value to 1, and then just click OK. So follow this same process and add the other two onto the system. So give me a moment while I type this in. And this will basically just bypass the checks that happened when you're installing Windows 11. Like, it's the annoying thing, because most times it's just a security thing, but other than that, it's just annoying. Anyway, then after you have done everything and set all the values to 1, make sure you're doing this correctly. Don't mess this up. And then just close everything, and then you can just move on with your installation. Just go through the installation like you normally would, and it should work just fine. So if you enjoyed the video, then obviously hit like and subscribe.